just looks so good. Hi beautiful people, I'm Kimmy Boutiki. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to do this faux sewing look using clip-ins. That's right, I used clip-ins to get this whole look. I've been using Mayvenn hair for years and I definitely highly recommend it. I will leave a link to the hair in the description box below. Yeah, so if you want to see how I got this faux sewing look, stay tuned. I have my clip-ins from the brand Mayvenn. They are Yaki Straight, and I'm going to show you what they look like. Now, what I love about this company is that they give you a little piece of hair for you to sample the clip-ins before you actually open the package. Yaki Straight texture. I really love it. It's super soft. This is my hair. I look crazy, but we about to fleek it. Don't you worry. I already sectioned out my 2 sections that I'm going to be working with. I'm doing a middle part and I just braided them down, so that's why I look hella crazy. And then I'm going to leave some hair out on the side, and this is what these 2 braids are. I just did a braid here, a braid there, one in the middle here, and all the way to that side. And if your hair is thick, do smaller braids, of course, because that means it's going to be a little bit more bulky. My hair is super thin, so I didn't even feel like being bothered with doing a lot of braid. I have already sprayed in some of this Tresemme Heat Tamer. I promise you this hairstyle is going to be super quick and easy. I am just going to take some bobby pins and I'm going to just pin up the braids in the back. So you do want to pin them down flat, you know, don't bulk them unnecessarily. So here is the hair. It knows that you open the tape because it leaves behind like some type of lettering. So definitely check that sample piece first. It comes like this. And it also, I noticed, comes with 2 extra clips. So if you need to replace a clip, you have 2 extra ones in the pack. Love you for that, Mayvenn. Thank you. So it has a little net over it, and wow, this is a lot of hair. I'm going to take out these single pieces. I have 4 of them. It holds 2 clips. That's the next piece you have there. You have 2 of 3 clips each. You have 2 of the largest pieces, which have 4 clips each. I'm all about that quick, fast, easy hair, whether it's my natural hair or a style like this. It needs to be super duper fast. My hair is very fine, and I actually should have left out maybe a little bit more just so I could be extra secure when that wind blows, you know what I'm saying? It won't go into a high ponytail, but this is a good enough ponytail. Who is going to know you have clip-ins in your hair? They're going to think, oh girl, you got a fresh sew-in. How long did they take to do that sew-in? And you're going to be like, I did it myself. And they're going to be like, what? I don't believe you did that. And you're gonna be like, it's my little secret. And they won't even know that it took you 5-10 minutes to put in a few clip-ins. Okay, trust me, it works. It's fast, it's easy, it'll get you through. And also, you will be able to get up to 25% off if you follow my link in my description box. Thank you for watching the video. I super appreciate you taking your time and spending with me. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and the little bell next to it so that you are subscribed to my Kimmy Boutiki family. That bell will give you all the notifications as soon as I upload. So be part of that notification gang, honey. Yes. Oh. And if you happen to have just a few more minutes, I'm going to leave a couple of videos here so you can hang out with me just a little bit longer. I would super appreciate it. I love hanging with you guys, and I appreciate you hanging with me. And I will see you in the next video. Mwah.